So right here behind me is a 2023 33-foot Wildwood Lite Platinum by Forest River. So my friend that owns this RV called me the other day and said, hey man, the RV stabilizer jacks on the front got stuck in a down position. So I asked him, I said, what caused it? He says, well, I was going to put them down, and then when I went to raise them back up, the switch broke. I said, the switch? He says, yeah, the plastic switch on the outside that controls the stabilizer jacks broke, and it will not either retract or extend. So this is a common problem with RVs that sit out in the sunlight for a long period of time, or RVs that are sitting up for a while. The plastics start to get sun damaged. And when the plastics start to get sun damaged, those plastics begin to fail. They crack, they get weathered, and then it will make your RV inoperable when it comes to certain equipment that use these plastics or plastic switches on the outside and exterior of that RV. Now, instead of bringing this RV to a dealership and getting some outrageous quote to repair and replace these switches, we decided to check online and see if they were available through Amazon or some type of RV parts website. We were able to find these switches on Amazon for a very, very good price, and it would be way cheaper for us to do it ourselves than bring it to a dealership and get it repaired. Now, mind you, this RV is not under warranty anymore. It is out of warranty, so my friend would have to pay up front to get this repaired at an RV place. So we decided to go ahead and order these switches and do it ourselves. So first things first is we're gonna remove the old switch from the side of the camper so we can look at what the wiring behind that switch looks like. So once we remove that switch, we can make sure that everything's gonna line up for us to reconnect the new switch. Now, as you can see, this switch has 4 wires and they match up perfectly with the wiring on the old switch. So we're gonna remove it, disconnect the wiring, and start to install the new one. Once these wires are secured, connected, we're gonna go ahead and screw this new switch back into the panel on the side of the camper. And once that's done, we can test it out to see if it works. So it looks like it's working perfectly. We're able to retract the stabilizers. They come all the way up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the back of the camper on the second switch for the rear stabilizer jacks, and we're gonna do the same thing. Now, this switch did not break yet, but as a precautionary measure, we're gonna go ahead and change this switch out as well. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. We successfully switched out these 2 rear and front stabilizer jack switches on this RV without a hitch, right? So everything went great. And just remember, if you are not experienced or if you don't feel comfortable, you can bring this to an RV dealer or a repair shop and get this done. But this is an easy way to fix it. You can find these switches on Amazon. So don't be hesitant, learn, watch some other videos if you don't feel comfortable yet, see how to do it. But this is an easy repair and a fairly cheap one. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and remember, stay tuned for more episodes like this. And the more you share, like, and subscribe to our channel and videos, the more and better content we can bring to you like this. If you like it, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and we'll see you next time on Beyond the Bayou RV.